Hey guys, Sandy here, and I got my Stories by the Month from Allie Edwards in the mail just recently. Stories by the Month, okay. So I wanted to show you what I got for the month of April. So there is a stamp set, Gather Together, Easter Memories, Eggs, Easter Joy, A Little Heart, Yum, Blessings, Things I Love About April, and Moments and Memories. I like that it is a mix of her handwriting and text because I definitely prefer text. Okay, then we have the cards. I still seriously love the quality of these cards. The more you praise and celebrate your life, the more there is in life to celebrate. And you are totally not even seeing that. There you go. Probably won't use that. Just because, again, a lot of handwriting. I prefer my own handwriting. Okay, so here we have the, let me zoom back out because I thought I was doing us a favor and it's not working. So the best time for new beginnings is now. Family gathering, the story of getting together. April showers bring me flowers. Loving things I love about April. Sun, please. Yes, please, and thank you. Easter joy. April moments and memories come together. I really like that floral. Okay, then the 4x6 card. Easter stories. A nice dot with a blank area. Some eggs or ovals that say Easter joy, and gather together. Is that it? Yep, and they're so thick. And then here we have the chipboard, and they are oval egg shaped. So love these eggs, Easter blessing, find those eggs, decorating eggs, Easter memories, some just dots, loving this, love this day. And these are adhesive chipboards. So those are, this is the kit. I definitely won't use these two. Probably not that one. Probably not that one. And I'll probably do something to cover this up because it just looks a little weird. I'll probably do something like that or something maybe in the center to cover up this. So I really need to get on this because I have January finished and I haven't even started February or March, but that was the April kit.